I recently tried the Dr. Melaxin Cemenrete Calcium Multi-Balm, and my first impression was that it's a very pleasant little eye balm to use. It comes in a small 9G stick, which is super convenient for on-the-go application. The texture is surprisingly nice. It melts right on contact with your skin, feels silky, and isn't sticky at all. It gives the under-eye area a smooth, hydrated feeling immediately, which is honestly satisfying. That's mostly thanks to ingredients like macadamia seed oil, shea butter, and hyaluronic acid, which are all solid for moisturizing and supporting the skin barrier. Where the product gets a little ambitious is in its marketing. The company claims it can rebuild under-eye bones, lock collagen into place, and even boost under-eye volume by 127% using something they call Rabboric technology. It sounds fancy, but if we're being realistic, topical calcium can't actually reshape facial bones or trap collagen. The clinical claim is extremely precise, but there's no published data or explanation of the methodology, so it's hard to take it seriously. Most of the benefits you'll feel are purely from hydration, not from any structural changes. That said, if what you want is a hydrating, smoothing eye balm, this one does deliver. It's comfortable to wear, layers well under makeup, and leaves the skin feeling soft. Overall, I'd say this balm is enjoyable and works well as a hydrating treat for the under eyes. But the marketing hype about calcium rebuilding bones and locking collagen is just that, hype. Use it for hydration, enjoy the silky texture, but don't expect any miracles.